everyone. I wish you guys you are in a good health and happy and safe, of course. Today, inshallah, I will explain to you the difference between الألف المقصورة and الألف الممدودة. Okay. I will write first thing الألف المقصورة. Okay. الألف المقصورة. Okay. One thing that الألف المقصورة, it's like letter ya, but it's not have 2 point and letter. Okay. You will see right now it's like ya, but it's not have 2 points under it. Okay. And we will move to الألف الممدودة. الألف الممدودة, it's the same thing like الألف المقصورة. It's like الألف, but it's not it have الهمزة. Okay, it's like that, guys. Okay. Okay, now we will move. We will start like with verbs. Okay, the first thing with the verb. We will know how we will know time that we will write الألف المقصورة or الألف الممدودة. Okay. Okay, we have like, if we want to know time that we will write الألف المقصورة or الألف الممدودة, we should put this verb in present tense. We like يبني. Okay, يبني. يبني. It's mean in English building. Okay, يبني, it's mean building. Someone built something. Okay, يبني. This is verb, but this is verb we put it in present tense. Okay, and the original of this verb is بنى. Okay, يبني بنى. Okay, we'll write it like this. بنى. Sorry. Okay, بنى. Yeah. For if the verb put it in present tense and at the end of the words have this like ending by letter ya, then we should write it by الألف المقصورة. Okay, if we put verb in present tense, okay, present tense, we should, if at the end by ya, we should write this verb الألف المقصورة. Okay, guys, if these words ending by ya in present tense, we should we write it by الألف المقصورة. Okay. Now I will give you another example. Okay, we have like يمشي. This is verb. يمشي, it's mean walk. I walk. Okay, يمشي. Guys, I put this verb in present tense, and yeah, inshallah in next video I will show you how we can put verbs in different tense in Arabic. Okay, we will back now to our lesson. Like يمشي, this words it's end by ya. For that we will write it in الألف المقصورة. Okay, because this verb, the organal of this verb is مشى. Okay, but when we put it in present tense, it become يمشي. Okay, يمشي. For that we will write it الألف المقصورة. Okay, this is if we want to know how can we write these words الألف المقصورة or الألف الممدودة, only we should put this word to present tense. Okay, and one thing I forgot to tell you guys, that الألف المقصور or الألف الممدود, we find it always at the end of the words, not at the beginning, not at the middle. Always we write them at the end of the words. Okay, now we will move to الألف الممدودة. Also, if we want to we will do the same thing like we do with الألف المقصورة. Like I will give you one verb, ينجو. 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 This verb we can this I put this verb in like present tense, and we can see that it's end by الواو, and verb if it end by الواو in present tense, then we should write the end of this words الألف الممدودة, then it's نجا. Okay, نجا is like the former of this verb نجا, and if we put it in present tense, it will become ينجو. Okay, I will give you another example to understand what I told you guys. دعا يدعو يدعو يدعو, and this is verb. We can see also at this verb that it's end by الواو, and if it's end by الواو, then we should write these words in الألف الممدودة. Okay, الألف الممدودة, then دعا. Okay, دعا former of these words, and يدعو if we put it in present tense. Okay, okay, the conclusion of this the thing that we talk about it, that if verb, we should know how can we write time that we write الألف الممدودة and الألف المقصورة. We should put verb in present tense. Okay, if it's end by الياء, then we write الألف المقصورة. Okay, if it's end by الواو, then we write الألف الممدودة. It's very simple. Okay, it's very, I will write it under the paper. If it's ended by الياء, we write الألف المقصورة. If it's ended by الواو, we write it by الألف الممدودة. Okay, we will write الياء equal, like give us. Okay, give us الألف المقصورة. Very good. If the words end by الواو, we write الواو. And في المضارع, of course, في المضارع it's mean in English at present tense. Okay, and all, if we find at the end of the words الواو, then we will write الألف الممدودة. الواو, give us الألف الممدودة. Okay, simple rule. It's a simple rule, guys. You should only like focus, and it's simple to know the difference between الألف الممدودة and الألف المقصورة. You should only put verb in present tense to know how can you write the end of these words. Okay, now we will go, guys, to nouns. The first situation, it's with the verb, and the second situation, how can we write الألف الممدودة or الألف المقصورة with the nouns. Okay, with noun. Okay. الأسماء, it's noun in English, in Arabic الأسماء. Okay, we have two kinds noun in Arabic. Actually, it's not two, it's more than two, but today we have only two kinds of noun: الفعل الثلاثي and الفعل الرباعي. Okay, الأسماء الثلاثية and الأسماء الرباعية. Okay, الأسماء الثلاثية, we will start with what mean الأسماء الثلاثية. It is mean the words have 3 letters, just 3 letters. Okay, and the first words that we have رضا. Okay, رضا. Okay, if we change this word, like it's masculine, the first thing, this word رضا, it's a masculine. If we change it to or double, it's mean رضوان. Okay, رضوان. one. Like this is 1%, and if we want to say 2%, like 2%, read one. Okay, read one, and we can see that it's half الواو. It's half الواو. Then what? Then we write it by الألف الألف الممدودة. Okay, we say ألف الممدودة. Okay, because we have الواو. It's the first rule in verbs. Just in verbs we change it to present tense, but now we don't, because this is noun. We cannot put it in with the other tense. We change it to double, 1% and double. If have الواو, we put الألف الممدودة. I will give you another example, like عصا. Okay, عصا. عصا. عصوان, like 2, double, عصوان. رضا, 1, رضوان. Okay, عصا, عصوان. Okay, عصوان, like we said, a lot, many. Okay, like double, I said double. رضا 1%, رضوان 2%, عصا 1 thing, because عصا it's not percent, it's 1 thing, عصوان it's 2 thing. Okay, and we can see that this word, when we change it to 2, we will find الواو, and if we find الواو, then we should write it by الألف الممدودة. Okay, it's the same rule with verbs, just like الألف give us الواو and الياء give us الألف المقصورة. Okay, now we will stay in الverb ثلاثي, الأسماء الثلاثية. هدى, we will write هدى. Under this هدى, okay, this is, we write it by الألف المقصورة. Okay, by الألف المقصورة. But if we want to change these words to 2, we will say هديان. Okay, هديان 2. And we can see that these words have ليا. Okay, have ليا. If it's have ليا, that it means that we should, if we write it الألف المقصورة. Okay, I will give you another example. فتى. If we write فتى, we will change it to double. We will say double. فتيان. Okay, this is like we see in the first one, رضا, عصا. This is like masculine. This is thing if you are talk about boys or like masculine. But if you want to talk about feminine, we use more ليا. Okay, فتيان, هديان. We can see that ليا, it is in these words. For that, we'll write it الألف المقصورة. Okay, now we will go to الاسم الرباعي. What is mean الاسم الرباعي? Noun that have 4 letters. Okay, like I will give you an example. Word قضايا. Okay, we can see these words. Okay, قضايا. We can see that these words have, before we put الألف الممدودة, have before it have ليا. Okay, have ليا. For that, we write الألف الممدودة. This is the reason in noun that have 3 letters, we should say if before الألف there is ليا, we write الألف الممدودة. Okay, another example. هدايا. Okay, هدايا, it's mean a gift. Okay, هدايا. Okay, هدايا. Okay, we can see that we have ليا and we write الألف الممدودة because before الألف الممدودة we have ليا. Okay, and we should always focus at the end of the words, like not if we see that Leah it's in the beginning of the words or in the middle of the words. No, always we should say the end of the words, like what is before, like before before this letter. If have Leah, then we write الألف الممدودة. If we don't have, that's what we will see right now. Like we have these words, Salwa. Okay, this is a noun, but have 4 letters. It's a noun, but have 4 letters. Salwa. Okay, the letter before the end, it's لواء. It's not ليا. For that we write الألف المقصورة. Okay, for that we write الألف المقصورة. The another example, we have Mustafa. Okay, Mustafa. This is also a noun. It's like Salwa and Mustafa. It's like Salwa. It's a name of girl in Arabic, Salwa, and Mustafa is the name of the boy. Okay, we can say that this noun Mustafa don't have it's before الألف المقصورة. We don't have any ya. For that we write it by الألف المقصورة. Okay. Okay, we will repeat this thing that we said to, because I talk a lot. I don't know, guys, if you understand or not. Okay, with noun we have 2 kinds, ثلاثي and رباعي. ثلاثي, like if we this noun change it to 2, like رضا, رضوان. Okay, Ridwan. We can see that it have لواء. For that we write it by الألف الممدودة. Okay, الألف الممدودة. The another noun is عصا. We change it to double, عصواني. Okay, and we can see that الواو is there. For that we write it by الألف الممدودة. Okay, now we will go to like time that we will write الألف المقصورة. We have Huda, and by the way, Huda it's a name of the girl in Arabic. Okay, Huda. We change it to 2, Hudayani. Okay, it's have Liya. For that it's have Liya. For that we write it الألف المقصورة. Okay, and the another example is Fata. Fata. We said 2. فتياني. We can see that Liya is there. For that we write it by ألف المقصورة. Okay, now we will go to another kind of nouns, is noun رباعي. Okay, noun رباعي, that this noun have 4 letters. The first one is قضايا, and the last letter before we write الألف الممدودة or الألف المقصورة. If we have ليا, we write الألف الممدودة. If we have ليا, we write الألف الممدودة. If we have الواو or any letter, we write الألف المقصورة. Okay, this is our lesson, guys. Oh, okay, by the way, I will give you a simple example. Okay, I will see if like, yeah, there is another paper. Just let me see if there another paper, but alhamdulillah there is another paper. Okay, we have example. I will give you some words or some verb, and you will guess what we will write at the end of this verb or noun, الألف المقصورة or الألف الممدودة. Okay, the first word is قضى. Okay, قضى. قضى. Okay, you're right. By the way, you're right. الألف. Shit, okay. So we will move to another. Don't write الألف المقصورة. Okay. Sorry, this is words. We will remove these words. We will like go to the next words. Okay. This is gift for you guys. my friend, it's give you the words and the answer in the same time. It's okay. The other words is Rama. Okay. Ah, okay. She doesn't write it. Don't write it. Okay. She didn't write. Okay. The other words is Sama. The other words is Ada. Okay. Okay, I will give you another words. By the way, I have, okay, Afa. This words, Afa. Okay. Okay. Rama. We write it. Okay. We have these 4 words. Okay, guys, you should stop the video and give for yourself 10 minutes and take the paper that you write the rule that I told you before, and you can guess. You not guess. You will write it sure 100% because it's a simple rule. You should only follow the rule that I told you. Okay. Okay. Now I will answer the exercise. Okay, because I know you stopped the video for 10 minutes. Okay. The first words is qada. But my friend, it's really simple. Okay, that's it. It's okay. Qada, if we change these words to because this is verb, okay? If we change it to present tense, qada, what qada? Yaqdi, it's end by ya, and we said before, if we put it in present tense and it's end by ya, then we write alif al-maqsura. Yaqdi, okay? Okay, we will write it the first answer. Okay, she writes it by the way, sorry, it's my bad luck. Okay, the another word, it's Rama. Okay, and Rama, guys, we should Rama because it's a verb. It's a verb. Like you draw something. Okay. Qada, it's mean in English pass. I pass. Okay. And Rama, it's like I throw something. Throw in English. Okay. Rama. If we change these words to present tense, it's yarmi. And we can see that it's end by ya, and the words, if it's end by ya in present tense, we'll write, of course, الألف المقصورة. Okay. Very good. The third word is sama. Okay, sama. This is word if we put it in present tense, if like yasmu, like I don't know the meaning of this word, like yasmu. It's end by waw, and we said before that if we put a verb in present tense and it's end by waw, we write it by الألف الممدودة. Okay, الألف الممدودة. Actually, this all words it's a verb. It's no one of these words it's a noun. Okay, عفا. If it's mean if you forgive someone. عفا. Okay, forgive. عفا. If we put this verb in present tense, it will be يعفو. Okay, it's end by الواو, for that we write it by الألف الممدودة. Okay, it's simple. It's really simple, guys. Don't think that it's very challenge for you. You should only understand this rules that I told you and do some exercise. Yeah, and of course you will understand. Okay, goodbye, inshallah, by the next video. And if you have any question about this lesson, I will really, if I see someone ask me about some question, tell me I didn't understand this thing, it's like I will be very, very happy. Okay, and yeah, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not yet, and also put like, and thank you so much, and good night. Have a nice dream. مع السلامة.